Good day, everyone. Today we're gonna try to put these babies in the nursery, code up a way to pick up the babies and carry them into... Shush! Phone, I know. Why do you tell me I'm streaming? I'm the one streaming. Okay. We're gonna figure out a way to pick up the babies and carry them into the mission. Basically everything except the combat loop. I have worked on the combat loop, but I don't know if it's actually going to go in. So, first things first is we need to make a new map. We'll call it Nursery. Looks good enough. Cool. Let's just go inside. And it's going to be approximately 4, 5, 6, 7 height. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 width. Approximately. Ooh, lovely. Whoopsies. Undo. Close. No, we're not gonna save that. Okay, we're gonna open that up again. That was lovely. That could have been really bad. Oh, okay. Let's try this again now, without being stupid. Okay, we got a lovely map here. We want to make a new one. There we go. We want it to be 12 by 24 approximately. And we want inside. No loop. No background music for now. No parallax images. Perfect. Now can I do this? Grab this shape. 24 might actually be big, because that's going to be our floor pretty much. So we actually can just do this for now. That's going to be pretty much our floor. And then we need to bring this down a little bit. Let me grab. Ooh. Ah, there we go. And that should be fine. There's no nice green wall inside. We can make it purple. Let's go with this. I don't regularly go with this color. We want to bring it down one more. I have no clue what that ticking noise is. How's everyone doing? That's fine. Boom, boom. There we go. And if we shift it over 2, 1, let's go 2. Fine. Yeah, that's fine. We'll just cut it here. So that would be, to cut it there would be 15, 18? Or 15, 8? Perfect. I'm gonna need to draw somewhere. Okay, what do we want? We want something like that shaped. Yep, okay. And then we take this, add this, copy, paste, done. And we can erase this messed up island. Cool. So now we got the shape. Now we just need to grab the babies. I created these off stream. I wonder, the real question is going to be organization wise. Where do we put all of them? We might be able to get away with like a funky design. A little bit. There will be one oddball. So sad. Can we get it a little less odd? We could put that there. And this one here. We could cut it. Cut the shape a little bit, so take this bit, compact it down. Take this bit and round off the edges. I think that looks good. We can put like a little put like a front desk. Yeah, let's do that. Let's make a nice little front desk. Beautiful. Yep, so the player walks in, can pick up any of the babies, and goes out. Add a little NPC just to talk to them about it. Let's see. Perfect. Actually, since these are events, could do that. That looks at least a little bit more natural. Not locked in for the rest of their lives. And I think that's fine. All those look fine. Do we want anything on the desk? Maybe a little book. I don't like how that book. Are there any good books? No, doesn't look like it. Lovely. To get a little bell. Awake everyone! Fortune teller. Yeah, there's no like placement. That sucks. We'll just go with this then. I would like to flip that 180 degrees, but hey. Yeah, no, I don't like that. Or time thing. Bottles, letters, scores, books. Yep, nothing here is something I want to put down anywhere in this nursery. Lovely. Okay, we'll just stick with that. Cool. Done. Nursery done. We need to code up a couple of things. Not the end of the world. Why is my phone going off? Why does my phone just keep going off? Okay, so we need a door. Luckily, doors are easy to create. And we want it there. And nursery door. Nursery door. I think we'll go with this rounded one. We'll go that way. Okay, we need to grab, hopefully we have that tile. That would suck. Yes, we do. Cool. Boom. just so it has that appearance of like actually something inside. Then we just create a quick little transfer event to the outside. There we go. Oh, nope. Nope. We need to do one more thing. One more minor thing. Let me get this notification off. Yep, I read it. Cool. We need to move our corridor into scene because I haven't had the teleport back yet. We're gonna code all that up most likely. So let's see if this all works. We go in here. Okay. Then we can talk to all of these guys. Talk to the little skeleton dude. Awesome. I like the size. The size isn't bad. What would be really cool, and we could do that, is if we... no, we can't, because we're using a different map. If we were not using a different map, we could take these outdoor tires and copy them in, but for right now. Okay, so we need to delete the babies from the roof, because they're not going to be there in the final game. We can rename this nursery. It's part of the hub, that's fine. Reality Dungeon is part of the hub as well, so just tie everything together. Okay. Sure, restarts. No. Okay. Yeah, we're not restarting Steam. Okay. So, now to code up the babies. So, first things first, we need to remove my template. There we go. And we need to do a couple of things here. We need to go to plugin. We actually don't need that because these are going to be preset. So yeah, since we're not randomizing them, they're just going to be preset ones that we're going to change when you come back. We're just going to re-enable them. That's fine. So we don't need any of this. We just need to, well, yes we do. We need to create an actor. So we need actor, clone actor into game. The original actor is going to be, I don't know yet. The variable is to store the new actor's ID is going to be zombie actor, or zombie party actor. There we go. Cool. That's fine. Then we can adjust these things to make sure everything's working right there. But first we need to find out what actor we're cloning. So the zombie is actor 5. So go here again. We're going to go actor 5. Boom. And I'm going to cheat here. So we got 6 here. I'm just going to add another 4 here. Ooh, shoot. Cancel. Discard. Save so that we don't mess up anything and I make a horrible mistake. We're going to do 4 plus 11, which is 15. There we go. 15. Then I'm going to actually copy these in order so that we can go 15. We're going to put the ID as 12 so that it gets replaced. Nope, wrong thing. So we'll actually do the same here. No, we won't. Dang it. Okay, we'll just do that. Okay. So we need an ID, and I want to say you need quotes 12 so that it goes in the right place. Initial level we don't care about, that can remain the same. We need to adjust all that, and we need a name generator. I'll write up one real quick as well. So there's that. That's 13. So then we need to go to plugin scripts, actors by variable. We need to do change party member by variable. We want actor 13. We want to add, and we want to initialize. So in theory, if we do this, we should be able to add the zombie child to our party now. Okay. Okay. New. Go into the nursery. Go to zombie. Hey, look at that. It's a cloned actor, but we can adjust that. Now that we have it joining the party, we can actually do some cool things, such as put that there, F12. Okay, so we need to find out game party members 1. So now we got this new actor coming off our template. Okay. The thing I wanted to find out is, yep, it's actor 12. We wanted that. We need to get the name generator. We could do a profile as well. Skills. That's what I need to do. I need to add a skill to this so I can see how to add skills to the actor. So if we go here, I believe it has the skill type correctly. So let's add, let's just, no, we want something that I will know. So let's do Mordor. 13's a known value. Let's do Fire Breath for now. 25, okay. So, and I believe, whoopsie, zombie has skills. 25 is a skill, right? Yes. Cool, everything's good. So, let's boot that up again. Because then we're going to add, I'm going to basically set up actors to have a certain subset of skills, and it will just choose 3 of those. I'm thinking there's going to be 3 groups, low end, medium, and high, and it will choose one of those 3. Okay. So, enter here, grab our buddy, and let's see. If we go, whoops, no, we're not trying to divide by anything. There's our buddy, and if we go to skills, it says none. That doesn't make sense. Why do you have no skills? Add skill, Fire Breath, to our template. So our template should have skills. Maybe we need to add the skill type as well. We're gonna also just shove the thing in here just to see, like, is it a mistake in my plugin? We need to change party member. There it is. We want zombie. Add and initialize. I wonder if the initialization is the thing that's screwing it up. Okay. Oopsie. Okay, we'll just do it here then. That's fine. Fine, game. Fine. Okay. We go here, we get the zombie. Does the zombie have skills? Yes. If we get this zombie, the clone of the original, it doesn't have skills. And that's interesting, the other zombie was overwritten. Oh no, that's correct. Our template isn't. Oh no. Oh no, I'm gonna need to rename these. Okay, we're gonna need to name this placeholder, and we're just name all of them placeholder. So the issue was that I was changing the placeholder and then rewriting over it. We don't want that. We want the template to be rewritten, but the placeholder to be remain the same. Okay, so now everything should work. Okay. Go in here, grab our zombie, and skills. Our zombie has fire breath. Cool. If we open up the console, see what we can get from our zombie. Come on, thank you. Okay. Why does it say it has no skills? We are literally pulling it up right here. Clone actor. I'm a clone actor. Okay. Selected states. Clone actor data. Traits. Meta. Equips. Traits. Oh yeah, this is it. Okay, but it's not adding it. Why aren't you adding the trait? It's cloning the traits, but why isn't it adding it? This is strange. Code for, okay, let's break down some things here. Let's go into my code. I just want to see what happened to the traits. What does this little green dot say? Don't know. Don't get it. Ah, okay. Interesting. Interesting. Wonder if that's going to cause problematics. Okay, so we want to, or what is it? Party? Nope. Consume. Change member by variable. Yes. Okay. It's a bunch of code. Okay, so grab the variable and then call the function. Okay, actor ID. So if we go data, actor ID. I actually don't know which actor it is. I think it's 13. So right here, 12. We added it to 12. Okay. So 12 actually could be a number. And 12 has traits. Yes. So when I do new actor, or new game actor, right? Nope. Okay, that's there, but I need to go to objects. Okay. It checks to see. Wait, that's a first action. Is that what we wanted? I think I'm off. Yeah, I'm off. I need. Can I look up the historical ones? No. What is it? Change party member by variable. Yep. Okay. Take that line here. 129. Okay. Okay. So game actor variable. Okay. Or we're doing add or remove. Okay. Come on. Okay. So what it is saying is I can do game actors dot actor 12 and get the actor. Yeah. It should be the zombie. Yep. Okay. But still no skills. No skills are defined. Okay. So we need to find out the one that creates the actor, and that's clone actor, right? Yes, add actor. Okay. So we go to add clone actor to game. He gets some data. Make sure it's overwriting it. Goes data dot new actor. This actor ID. So what does game actor do? Oh no. No. We're gonna do prototype to actor. Actor. Okay. It checks, sees it, and then it does this function, which is what it's doing here. So when I do new game actor, actor 12, do I get an actor with skills? No. Okay. Let's do new game actor and can we do debugger new game actor? Yes, we can. Cool. Oh wait, we didn't give it an ID. Okay, now we can go into it. Okay, so when it gets new game actor, gets a series of arguments. In this case, it's 12. It is going to initialize the bad rule. Then it's going to set up the actor, which includes setting up the skills. Cool. Okay. Initial skills. We want that function. So, yep. Wait. Okay, so it's initializing the actor, then it's going to do setup. We want it into it. Okay, so now we're at actor 12, we're going to set it up. Okay, go in here. Data, actor 12. If we go to actor 12, should have traits. Yes, it has traits, so that's fine. That's just adding clone data so that we know it's a cloned actor. Adding the actor's ID, actor's name, profile, class ID, level, initial images, don't care, initial XP, don't care, initial skills. So it's going to start out with an empty, and then this dot coordinate class dot learnings. Okay. Okay, so that's setting up the initial skills. Where is the traits? Where do traits get defined? Okay. Where does traits get defined? So if I go here... Oh wait, I'm adding the clone actor. We don't want the clone actor, we want the real actor. That's interesting. It looks like traits don't get defined, which is weird. I want to say that's going to be an initialization thing. So if we go here, we have the template. Okay. So if we go into our lovely console, we want... I don't care. Do not care. Thank you. Okay. Can I just go up a couple? Okay. So this is just nothing fancy with us. Does it have skills? No, it doesn't. Where is it getting these skills then? Does the baby have skills? I don't think the baby has skills. No, the baby does. Okay, never mind. That is... Skills array 0. I don't know where it gets those skills from. Oh, I bet I know what those skills are. Those skills aren't what the actor has. Those skills are what the class has for XP. I'm almost, but where do you get the skills? Where does it grab these skills from? I have no clue. I have no clue. But it has it. That's all that matters. So, and we know how to add... I shouldn't have closed out. We know how to add it. I know what it is now. You don't know how to add it. Two different things. Two different things. Okay. So now we can go to the zombie. It's going to have skills. It has skills. Yep, okay. So now if we go to here, and we ask, so that's the data, but we want the clone data. So we go in here, we can make 12 into a number, that's easy. But what we really want is this magic equation right here. So 43 must be add skill, 25 must be the data, and value is something else. We'll find out. Okay. So we go to our actors now. Template. I'm guessing value is just the number, which they default to 1, so we can default to 1. Okay. So we can go to overwriting data now. And we'll just call this cloned zombie right now. We'll delete a profile for now. This can just be a number. Now, this little bit is going to be interesting, because we're going to have to write a bit of code. It's just going to be doing a little bit of things. So let's break this into a console real quick so that we can make sure our code is correct. So what we want is a list of objects that start with a code, a number 43, data ID 25, which is the skill, and then value 1. And we want to then provide a list, in theory, something like 13, 18, and 24. And we want for each. Then we want skill ID do something, okay? But I think what we need to do before all of that, so we're going to close this off, and it's not going to yell at me because we actually did it somewhat accurately. It doesn't do anything except arrows out, but okay, so we want traits equal an empty list, then for each ID we're going to do traits, I want to say push. We're going to push something onto the trait, and that's going to be an object called code 43 data ID, and that's where our skill ID goes in, and value equals 1. We're going to do that for each one of these guys. And I'm sure if I say traits, I'm going to get, I'm going to get a bunch. Okay. Yep. So that's how we want to do it. Now the question is, how do we do that in an object? Because what's actually going to happen is we're going to already have traits equals, because this is going to be wrapped up in an object. And we need to create a for loop that returns the thing we want. Or we create a variable outside this, generate the skills outside of this loop, then push those skills in, such as like game variable or whatever. I think that might be the easier option. So we don't want to do anything like that right now. We want to grab our script plugin, which is in my plugins. Where is it? It is script command, and we want to do basically this. We want to go, okay, traits equals a list, because it's going to equal a list at the end. Then we want to generate a list from a random set. So we want high level of skills, and that's going to be a list. We'll just do 13, 14 for now. Medium, mid level skills, and that will be 18, 19. And then low level skills, which will be what is it? 24, 25. Okay. Then we want to generate a subset list. So we want to choose one from a random array, which I'm not gonna have right off the top of my head. So we're gonna use our good friend Google to ask, how do I do this, Google? And Google is going to tell us very quickly how we do this. Okay. So, choose one from list JavaScript. Okay. Yep, that makes sense. Cool. Don't need that, don't need that. Cool. So, I'm going to have we can actually do this a lot better. Since we only have 3 skills, we don't need to run it in a for loop. We could actually just do traits.push and then code 43 data ID, we will code that up, and value 1. Okay. And then this we code up as high level skills brackets math.floor. We're actually going to break this up so it's easier to read. Okay. I need 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and we'll drop this back down. Cool. Then we will break. Okay, so math.array floor math.random. I actually think rand int is a thing, and we just want high level skills length. Okay, let me verify math.int is or random.int is a thing. Yep, okay. So it's not rand int, it's random int. Okay. So that gives us, we actually don't need the floor anymore then. That's nice. Which means we don't need the bracket, the extra parentheses. Okay. So it's going to choose a random skill from the length, which the length is 2. I'm pretty sure we don't get 2, right? If I go 1, should never get 1. Yep. And if I go 3, we should get 2. Actually, what am I doing? I could just ask it. What is math.random? Okay, it takes the random times the maximum to the floor. So, yep, we never get the maximum. Okay. So that's that. So that's going to give us the force value. Now we basically copy this and do it for mid and low, which is easy. We do need to adjust high though. High will become high. Mid will be mid. And low will be low. So now we generated all the skills we're going to have. It's in traits. I don't think traits is going to be a permanent thing, so we're going to just do game. I'm going to need to figure out where the game variable is. So for now, we're just okay that. Done. And this one won't stay too long, so we'll call this new actors traits. And that will be 14. So game actually no. Zombie da. Okay. Because we're gonna have 1 party member, 2 party members, 3 party members, 4 party members, 5 party members, 6 party members. Actors new traits. So it's gonna be 19. It can be 0 for now. Actually no, it can't. But we can just do here. So scroll down here. Okay. And then we're gonna do game variables dot set value 19, 18, 19. I think it's 19. And we're just gonna set it to traits. Okay. Is it 19? It was 19, cool. So now we can go in here. Actually, no, we don't want here. We can go here, so this needs to actually go up here. And we can do traits equal game variables dot value 19. So now it will randomly choose a trait, set it to variable 19, and then set that actor up with those random skills. Let's verify that. Okay, so if we go here, we get an actor. If we go to skills, 3 random traits. Nice. And I'm going to take a screenshot of this. If we go back, get a new actor. So the actor didn't change, but the traits should be. Ooh, we got 2 traits this time. Is that because I'm doing something wrong? Oh, I bet it does eventually go above. I need to just drop it down 1. That's fine. So, possess, sway, poison, shock, flash, so, murder, and get paid, I think, are the 2 that didn't. Okay, but that means that this will regen every time. There we go. So, yeah, we need to adjust the script just a little bit, and then we just basically copy paste. -1, -1, and -1. So now if we do it again, now we should generate some random skills over and over again, which would be nice. Because then we can just copy paste the actors a couple of times, adjust the parameters, and it would be good. Okay. So sway, flash, mortar. Sway, flash, mortar. Sway, flash, mortar. Okay. I think I figured out what was wrong. I don't think I wanted to do subtract 1 there. Because this is giving me the length. So I think I need a -1 here. Okay. Hit apply, hit OK. Go here. Go here. Do we get unique skills? No, we still only gain 2 sometimes. Interesting. I need to think. Okay. High, medium. All these gain pouring from the right place? Yes. Yes. Okay. Random int. Take the length of this. So okay. We're just gonna open up a console here so that we can try this out. Okay. So if we do length, so that's gonna get us that. And we're saying give us the random int, which random int is just math.floor of max, which is 2 times math.random. Yes. Okay, so math.random can be 2, or can be 1, but it generally won't. It will be 99, or 0.99, which is 1, and it can be 0.0, which is 0, which if we go there's something broken somewhere. Let's add those all up. Let's do math, or we'll just do rand int equals a function, takes in a max, it does this. Oh, this is actually math. This is max, and this returns. Okay, cool. So now if I go, give me the high level skills of math, or random int of high level skills length 13, 13, 14, 13, 14, 13. All those are working. You know what we could do? We could go or actually no, we could do this even we'll just do console log traits. So now we'll see what traits the game's actually assigning. Go in here. Okay, so we got an array. Undefined. That is not what I was expecting. But that's what's causing it. Okay. So, why is it undefined? High level, mid-level, mid-level, low level, okay. Yeah, it's getting an undefined. I wonder, are these parameters I can actually ask for? Low. Oh yeah, I can, cool. 24, undefined. Okay, what if I go 0, -1. Okay, so we don't want the -1. Okay, so let's remove the -1. Even though I'm pretty sure that's what I started with. Okay. Close out the game. Because once we get this working, then actors can be picked up. Okay. That one had all the skills. That one had all the skills. They're the same skills though. But that's possible. Yeah, so that's fine. That's fine. I'm just waiting for 14 in the beginning. Nope. Come on, give me the 14. There we go. Okay. And if I go into your skills, you'll show all 3, right? Why aren't you showing one of them? Okay, so 14, 19, 24. 14 is not being shown. I know why. It's not in the skill type. That's nice. 18, 19, 24, 25. That was the issue. Can't add skills that you don't have a type for. Cool. That's nice. We figured that out. So we can actually copy this, paste it. I'm not going to do that right this very second, because there's a few things I want to add, like a name generator, which is going to be simple. It's going to be basically like what we did, math.random, whatever. Kind of. Not going to be super simple. We might actually use the script just so that I can easily code it out nicely. But we want the name. I don't think anything else with the actor because the image is going to be preset by the template. So we don't have to actually do that. But there's that. And then we want to go, hey, you picked it up. So copy paste. We want the empty carriage. A. remove all that. Done. We'll quickly test that. So now if I go in here, picked up the actor, the empty carriage appears, and the actor follows me. Now we just need to code up this transporter. And once we code up the transporter, we'd be set. Kind of. We have a couple more things to code up, but okay. There's a couple things I want to do. We need to set a delay. Self switch. It could be frame count. Fine. It's going to be this map, this event, delay of 1. Sure, A can be fine. Okay. I need to get all these events IDs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. 1 through 9. What map are we on? We are on map 3. We're gonna get, we're gonna do 1. We're gonna do 2. This is just gonna take a while. Gonna do 3. We're gonna do, 4. 5. I'm just gonna check to see if the animation's gonna play nicely, or you know what? What are we doing? We're being an idiot. You know what we should do? Control switch. Transfer. Whoopsie. Transfer state. It's gonna just turn on. You know, if it just turns on, we can just do the exact same thing for all of these. Copy, paste, delete. If the switch is on, it's gonna turn blue. And we're gonna do the exact same thing on all of these. If the switch is on, just turn blue. Oopsie. There we go. Copy paste. Boom. Copy paste. Copy paste. We're almost done, guys. I almost made a mistake. Okay. Copy paste. Done. If we test this out, when I go over to the center and press the A button, it should just work. We have a mistake. Some of these don't have the switches. we go. Nope, I don't want a control switch. I want to transfer. Okay, now if we do it, it should work. Okay. Boom! We can't move anywhere, but that's fine because that's when we're going to transfer over to the new other map, which means we need to do some coding. A little bit of coding. We just have to go find out where we want to transfer a few places. So for right now, I think we're going to transfer either here, here, or here. Yeah. Okay. So we need to write a log, so I need a notepad. Okay, so we got map 2, 1825. Uh, 4114. And I'm actually gonna, yeah, these don't do anything, so, woo. I think I'm just gonna coat the entire edge. Now, can I autosave? Can I trigger an autosave? Do you provide that? Open, gain, erase, shake, system, main menu, screens. No, you guys don't provide that. Do you provide it in the main menu core? Nope. Okay. And I don't have a autosave. So we're gonna could open up the save menu. I don't like that, but we'll find out. Right now, fine. So we're gonna add you there, and then we'll add you right here. So that's 3929. Okay. Go here. Transfer state is on. We just need to do a transfer event. Transfer player. And we'll add 20 more. I don't think I'll use all 20 more, but transfer map. Transfer X. Transfer Y. I wish it was a random. And we'll do fade to white. not a lot of people do fade to white. Okay, so we need to do some setting of some variables. We need map 2. That's easy. That's the easy one. Now the harder ones. We need X, which yeah, we'll do a magic trick here. Yeah, we'll do a magic trick. Okay, transpose equals an array of arrays. We got 18, 25, 41, 14, and 39, 29. Okay? So those are the 3 transfer points. Then we're going to do like we did before with the babies. We're going to do this thing to get which transfer point we're going to go to. Okay. And that's going to be returned to us. So now you might be wondering, like, but how are we going to get X? You're replacing X with the actual points. And I'm like, yes, I am. But that's fine. So that's going to be getting us our transfer. That looks so weird. Transfer equals, transfer equals. Yeah, that's fine. Then we'll copy that, copy that. Okay, so I can't do game variables, so I'm going to actually have to do game variables dot value 22 brackets 1 will give us our transfer y. And very similar code, except instead of 1, we get 0, and that gives us our transfer x. So using one variable, I was able to adjust all that. Okay? Fade to white and transfer state off. Done. Okay, so in theory, now we can get to the hub board. Look at that. Whoosh! I wonder, does Vigistella's play test? It doesn't have a spawn. That's interesting. Let's code that real quick because now, to code it up to not code it up, code it up to not code it up. Code it up to not code it up. Nah, we're not coded up right now because it requires me coding up a little bit more than I want to. Because I have to code up like a way you can give it a number and all that. But I'm shocked that they don't have that pre-built. I might just add that and like give that to everyone because that's nice. But we can now do a transfer event. Whoosh. And if I wonder if we go to our autosave, yeah, it's here. So I'm gonna have to adjust my tutorial system a little bit, but look, we're here now. And I won't spoil how to do that puzzle. Okay. Load it again, one more time. Okay, not bad. And one more time. And then we can do a party check. Okay, cool. But I don't want you just to be able to load in anywhere. You're going to have to do a conditional. There's no get party length. That sucks. I wonder if they want you to use a variable. I'm not going to use a variable. It's going to be something like game party members. Dot length is greater than 1. Oops. Grab all this. And for right now, we just have a show text. You need more party members. Okay, new game. Go in here. Yep, I need more party members. Go back to the nursery. Grab my party member. Boom. And boom! Now I have a party member. You know something else I just found out? I might be able to change this conditional. Is this actor in party? Yes, actor in party. So now I don't have to use a control switch. I can just go, hey, is the actor in your party already? It is? Okay. There we go. Boom. 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 Still need to code a bunch of things still, but we're getting there, guys. Yep. Yep. I'll go around this way. Oh, the hops don't work anymore. But the water does! Okay. We are nearing the end of this stream. I think I'm going to end it early. I'm a little tired. I've had a rough week. I'm going to code up most likely a generic aspect to some of these plugs. But we got this. Tomorrow is going to be coding up the battery system a little bit more. Hopefully I'll have that done. Then the Thursday we'll just clean up everything. Actually no, we'll do one more thing. Since I can get to here no matter what, we're gonna do I'm going to copy this, and we're going to delete. So I want it where, that's how I do it, right? Let me think of how I want this. Can I do this? Dash P bracket N. Dash P bracket N. Can I do that in a choice? Can I be like dash P bracket N? I'm going to start the player here. Because if I can do that, then that's how I'll do it. Is I'll just be like, which baby do you want to put? Bloop. Yes, I can. Okay, so that's how I do it. I just deleted the thing. Okay. So now the question is, if I do bracket P2, will it show me an empty string, or will it just remove the choice? If it removes the choice, that's good stuff. But if it's not going to remove the choice, then I'll have to do it myself. Dang it, it doesn't. It doesn't remove the choice. Okay. So bracket 3. But the thing is you could still change your actors up. I guess I could go ask what position test slime is in, which will eventually become slime. Get what position slime is in. Then go, okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how do we do this without a lot of code? Because right now I'm thinking I'm going to need a conditional branch to find out what position. So I need a variable that will get me the position, party position, game data, character, party, actor ID. So you're only going to have a max of 4 party members. So actor ID 1, actor ID 2, actor ID 3. Then I need to go, okay, that seems complicated. I feel like I could do this. I could do game variable, game party dot underscore actors. That will give me that. Then I'm looking for dot index, I believe. Index of. I think it's index of. Get index of item in array JavaScript. Index of. Okay. Index of 1. That will give me the actor in. That will get me the position of where actor 1 is. Then I do 4 conditional branches. I can do, well, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so that's all 4 positions, no conditionals. Then I do a choice with a dash P 1, two, 3, and I do that the same, except 1 becomes 0, 2 becomes, actually I just need this one. Oopsie. This becomes 3 becomes 0, and 2 becomes 0. Okay, so those are all the choices. Then I also need to go, okay, if it's actor 1 you want to remove. Oh, but I need the actor ID. So this should be like 25 or 24. So then I go, okay, 24 now becomes party member 1's actor ID. This becomes party members 2's actor ID. And this becomes party members 3's actor ID. Okay. Okay, I like that so far. 2. I think that should, I need to fix the numbering, but fine. Need to fix the numbering, but fine, that works. So now I know variable 24 is the actor I want to remove, but I can't do it here. But guess what plugin I have? I can go here and go, where it is it? Change party members, remove from 24. So now I can remove the actor that is found. That's good. So now that actor is removed from the party. Then I need to set the image to be correct, which can be as simple as setting 24, but it says equal or greater than. But as long as I keep going up, so we'll be good. So now I just need to get the actors. Oh, but it needs to be one for each of them. That's not the end of the world, because I can just teleport these 3 events wherever I want, and I don't have to code up each one. I just bloop, 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 bloop. Yep, cool. So these are these actors' ideas. Okay, so we're gonna rename 24 because this will be destination crib 1. And we're going to do basically the same thing except change the variable to whatever. So if it's 10, then I know it's an ice mage. Don't need anything else. Copy paste. 11 is the harpy. Copy paste. 12 is the zombie. Copy paste. 13 is the werewolf. Copy paste. Kitsune. 14. Copy paste. And lastly, 15. 15. There we go. So now I just go, hey, set the variable to there. It's already going to do the calculations and everything. Is there any time that it's going to be greater than? Nope, because this is just going to be an index, 1, 2, 3, or 4. And then, yep. That's all going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. These are going to just be, oh, that's perfect. Oh, that's perfect. And then we just copy this 3 times, teleport them in the map wherever we want them to go, and that is our destination crib. That is so nice. I thought that was going to be a headache to code, and it's not. It's literally just going to be going. So run back through it. We don't need this. So first thing, find out where our first actor is. Because wherever our first actor is, that's where the player is. We don't want to put the player in a crib. Then get one of the 3 babies of your choice. And of course, depending on how you format it, we'll determine which choices you see. Then we know the choice you chose is the actor ID for that player's position. Which means we don't need this anymore. We go here with my change party using a variable. We go, hey, variable 24 right now has the actor ID. Awesome. Remove that actor from the party. Doesn't need to initialize. Boom. The actor has been removed from the party, and then we go to whichever page has the actor in it. And now the actor is in the crib, and the player has no clue that we did a bunch of magic stuff. That is good. In theory, tomorrow I work on the batter system. Then we come back to this stream. We finish up the coding, maybe put the beginning dialogue. I send it out to my testers, and we might actually get this game done on time. We're like 53% of the way done. So we are going to get this done. We have the nursery pretty much coded up. As I say, pretty much coded up. We only have one of the cribs actually coded up. But that's fine. We can easily merge the rest of the cribs. I'll do that most likely tonight as cool down. Got the nursery hooked up to the hub. We got the hub hooked up to the teleporter hooked up to the dungeon. There's only 2 things we need to do in the dungeon. We have 3 things. We need to add monsters, we need to add more of the destination cribs, and we need to write a parallel script that checks to how many party members you have. And once you have 0 party members, then it teleports you back to the hub board again to repeat the process. We did this. We got this done. We're most likely going to succeed in this. Goodbye, everyone. I hope everyone a lovely night.